the more points of contact you've got, the more points that things can break down. So you need to have a consistent plan. One of the things you mentioned, just as we were talking about that last point, was having a policy in place, a policy about what's used and who uses and who gets access. So can you just expand a bit more about what should be part of that policy?
Yeah, I think part of the policy as far as who has access and who should have control of these things is one, is it part of their daily task and routine? Like, should they have access to it because of it? If you're setting it up, where does it need to be set and stored? And, how is the naming structure so that everyone can find it, or the people who should, have access to that can find that. So again, even identifying that part of it. Other times, just more documentation. Okay, if you set it up, who's the two-factor authentication going to? So that in, the times of recovery, we can identify right away what email address, what phone number, who's going to get that text message, whatever that looks like. And then on the other side of that is going to be, okay, now that that's done, also add the owner of the company. Let's make sure that the owner of the company does in fact have ownership to whatever asset you just set up and put into place.